Today, we have some exciting news that's been making waves through the tech industry. OpenAI, the leading artificial intelligence research institute, has just announced the release of their first physical robot. This robot, by the name of Neo, has been the cause of a lot of chatter in the world of technology, as OpenAI has been known for their advancements in artificial intelligence. But this is the first time they're stepping into the realm of physical robotics. We are here to break down everything you need to know when it comes to Neo and OpenAI's plan for the future. So, let's get into it. OpenAI has recently invested in a robotics company by the name of 1X. Previously focused on security, they are now building a custom robot integrated with AI technology. The robot is set to be unveiled in a demo this summer with AI-related features. This is significant news as it was previously believed that the development of physical robots integrated with AI technology was years away. 1X, previously known as Robotics, builds humanoid robots capable of human-like movements and behaviors. They have recently partnered with 4 companies, including ADT Commercial, Tiger Global, NVIDIA, and OpenAI, with OpenAI being the only company that creates large language models. This suggests that OpenAI has chosen them to deploy their large language models into physical robots that can interact with the real world. The CEO of the robotics company Bernd Toivind Bornich expressed excitement at the alignment of missions to thoughtfully integrate emerging technology into people's daily lives and to augment the global labor market. The robotics company's previous robots that were created when the company was known as Robotics were successful, and they have experience deploying their wheeled Android iOS at an unprecedented commercial scale, which gives them a unique understanding of the challenges and opportunities that the robotics community has yet to address. With the multi-model capabilities of GPT-4, it is believed that it can power these robots and help them experience our world. The partnership between the 1X and OpenAI suggests that the development of physical robots integrated with AI technology is progressing rapidly and will soon be a reality. Before we get into the future of the world, if you guys are enjoying this video so far, it would be a huge help if you guys would smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. It helps us produce more videos like this one, and if you want more updates on AI, hit that bell so you will be notified every time we release a new video. Let's get back to what you guys are here for. AI robots as a whole have been gaining popularity due to their wide range of applications, particularly in healthcare, manufacturing, and transportation. They have been proven capable to interact with the physical world and perform various tasks with impressive accuracy. But the appearance of these robots is a subject of much discussion as they are expected to play a crucial role in our lives in the near future. The emergence of new technologies such as the multi-model capability of GPT-4 is expected to revolutionize the design of AI robots, enabling them to understand images and their surroundings accurately. Top tech companies like Elon Musk's company Tesla and Google are making strides in the field, driving rapid advancements. The inevitable release of OpenAI's considerably more powerful GPT-5 is set to transform the robotics industry and the entire world, causing the IT sector to swarm with chatter about GPT-5's expected power, as creating a new generation of robots capable of interacting with real people in the real world. Unlike Google's approach, which focuses on developing robots that can perform specific functions using a small language model, OpenAI's vision is much broader. The company aims to develop robots that are powered by a large language model and can perform a wide range of tasks with agility and accuracy. OpenAI's partnership with NVIDIA and Tiger Global is likely to have a significant impact on the robotics market. The company's robots will be capable of performing tasks that are not powered by a simple chat model. Instead, the robots will use multi-model input to understand and interact with the environment. The implications of this development are significant. OpenAI's robots will be able to perform tasks with a high degree of accuracy, even if the task is interrupted by a different person. The company's focus on developing robots that can interact with real people in the real world is what really sets them apart from their competitors. The new robots will likely be powered by GPT-5, which means that OpenAI's robots could be the most powerful and agile on the market, making the company a market leader in the robotics industry as well as in the AI industry. It is difficult to predict how this technology will develop in the future. However, it is clear that OpenAI's new language model has the potential to transform the industry and make the company one of the most powerful in the world in the next few years. That's it for today's exciting news on OpenAI's first physical robot and the upcoming release of their powerful language model. This absolutely groundbreaking development is sure to have a significant impact on the industry, and we're excited to see what the future holds for AI robots. What do you think the future holds for AI-powered robots? Let us know in the comments below. Also, go ahead and share the link with others so they can get educated for the future. Like always, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest news on artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.